Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can integrate Wise with Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics, marketing, and discounts. And here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. Right here, you're going to find your applications. And lastly, here in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So go ahead and click on settings. And once you do that, you're going to be right here. Here in the left, you're going to find all these sections. You're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkouts, and so on. Go ahead and click on payments. And once you click on payments, you're going to be here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all these payment options. Here you can add a payment provider. Right here, you're going to find the supported payment methods. Right here, you're going to find the payment capture method. You can either choose automatically at checkout or manually on. And here you're going to find manual payment method customization, and gift card expiration. So right now, go to supported payment method, click on add payment method, and then here you can search by payment method. And then, for example, search for MasterCard, give it a click, choose one choice from here. And after you do that, click on install, and then you're going to be able to add your card. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.